In this instructional video, we'll be reviewing the steps to connect a Rotochopper horizontal grinder from a Generation II Transport Dolly. First, always ensure proper safety protocol is followed and appropriate PPE is worn. When connecting the Transport Dolly, start with the Dolly parked on the most level, solid ground. Wheel chocks should be in place on the Dolly wheels. It is important to confirm that the discharge conveyor on the horizontal grinder is raised and folded completely. Once the horizontal grinder is prepared, move the grinder into place close to the front of the Dolly, ensuring that it's lined up with the guide rails on the Dolly. On the control panel, switch the grinder settings to Dolly mode. Use the wireless remote or tether remote. Slowly and carefully track the grinder straight back onto the Dolly. Once the grinder is fully seated on the Dolly, switch off the Dolly mode setting. Use the hydraulic control lever to fully extend the locking pins and then install the retaining bolts into the Dolly locking pins on both sides of the grinder using a wrench. Now that the Dolly is positioned and locked into place, you can remove the wheel chocks from the Dolly. Connect the light and air lines from the Dolly to the horizontal grinder. Remove the landing gear pins on both sides of the grinder and lower the landing gear to raise up to the front of the horizontal grinder and hook the semi-truck up to the grinder. Connect the light and air lines from the semi-truck to the horizontal grinder. Next, raise the landing gear on the horizontal grinder to the fully raised position and install the landing gear pins. Shut down the horizontal grinder, remove the ignition key, and shut off the master disconnect. Back to the Transport Dolly. Start by closing the airbag valve on the Dolly. Next, open the air tank. Next, open the tank valve on the rear tank. In the semi-truck, release the trailer parking brake. This will fill the Dolly airbags. Allow time for the bags to fully fill. This can take some time to complete. Add binding to track to adjust for any slack during the transport. Remove loose items, close all doors, check lights, and complete the thorough walk-around of the machine and the Dolly to ensure they are ready for transport. After these checks, you are ready to transport the horizontal grinder and Dolly. For any additional questions, please contact the Rotochopper Customer Support Team. Thank you for choosing Rotochopper for your grinding solutions. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube to see more Rotochopper University videos like this one.